208.
901. 901.
Waiting for a while. Yeah, it was really popular, but worth it. Yeah, well, because in terms of demographic, it's really good. It's quite convenient as well, quite close to the city, public transport, and also really good for the education background. So we do think it has got a good potential in the future.
我们已经买到了。对，因为我们觉得这是一个很值得投资的一个楼盘，而且我很高兴我们今天可以买到这个 Oxley 的盘，因为我们觉得这是一个很明智的选择。因为我觉得现在在北区这样子的楼盘已经不多了，而且这边的价格还算很合理，而且它临近火车站。然后又临近学校，吃东西的地方，city 都很近，所以我们觉得我们今天可以买到这里，很高兴。
I really like the timber floor, and also has got the extended window space as well. So there's a lot of sun can come in, which is one of the most important things to us is the spacious and also the lighting. So yeah, we actually really like the floor plan. Yeah.
对，因为我们呢有跟其他的就是同一区其他的楼盘比较过，我觉得这个楼盘的价格是真的就是蛮优惠的，相对来讲，对。
Oxley being on a corner site actually gave us a lot of challenges and opportunities. The main opportunities to create quite a distinctive building that provided high levels of amenity. So that was our vision, to create a building that was quite identifiable, yet offered residents good aspect, maximise the view, cross ventilation, solar aspect. So out of all of that defined the form of the building, which is very tight, regular square form. All the apartments are regularly designed, they all have great amenity. We tried to actually deliver a mix of apartments to provide a different level of affordability, ranging from studios to one-bedders to two-bedders and even three-bedders on the upper levels. The beauty is that most of the better apartments, like the two-bedders, are actually located on the corners of the building to maximise the view and amenity. So they find living rooms are on that edge and bedrooms are set further back. As far as other general amenity goes, there's a great level 3, there's great outdoor common space which is accessible to all the residents of the building, which will be landscape, have barbecue areas, passive seating areas and areas for relaxation. Down below on ground floor, it's actually retail areas that will add to the vibrancy of the development as a whole. So we'll activate the ground floor space with cafe, maybe a providor, furniture retailer, something that actually contributes to the whole village of Crowsnest, which is really exciting. The most unique aspects of Oxley relate mainly to, apart from the very identifiable and distinctive facade and elevation treatments, the use of materials such as concrete, glass and metal screens. I guess the most unique thing about Oxley is the actual apartment floor plate itself. It's quite an intimate floor plate as far as apartment buildings go. There's only 6 to 8 apartments per floor, which means that everyone will get to know their neighbours. You're one of a very select number on your floor, which is quite unusual for an apartment building of this scale. The apartments themselves, they've been very efficiently designed. So while they're not large, we've made the most out of all the living space, to maximise that living space, and to make sure that the bedrooms are usable and of a good size. So that's something that's quite unusual. But I guess the biggest element of this that had the biggest influence on us was the view opportunities. The views from this are quite spectacular. And they're actually quite a surprise to us. You know, living or working in a place like Crow's Nest, you don't expect with the buildings around you actually get views. But we did quite a detailed view analysis of what views are available. So they range from sort of harbour and bushland views out to the west, right round back to the city views. So you do get a glimpse of that. So in a building that's quite an urban building, the views are actually quite a surprise for us. So we tried to then take that and design the apartments around that by maximising the corners of the building to maximise those views.